Hey everyone, have you ever wondered what darkness really is? Is it something real like light or sound, or is it just nothing? Today I'm going to explain why darkness isn't actually a thing, it's just the absence of light. Let's get into it. First off, light is energy. It travels in waves or tiny particles called photons. Light bounces off everything around us and enters our eyes, letting us to see the world around us. Without light, our eyes cannot detect anything at all. So, what about darkness? Darkness isn't made of particles or energy. It's simply what happens when there's no light reaching our eyes. It is not something there, it is the absence of something. When you cover a flashlight with your hand, you create a shadow. That spot is darkness, but only because the light is being blocked. So here's another bonus question. Can you think of anything that actually produces darkness on its own? Or is darkness always just where light isn't? Drop your thoughts below, I will be reading them. So understanding this helps us to see how our vision works and why light is so important. Darkness isn't a thing, it disappears the moment light comes in. So next time that you are in dark, remember darkness isn't an entity, it's just where light isn't. So if you learn something new today, smash that like button and please subscribe for more video. And don't forget to answer the question in the comment section below. I love hearing from you guys.